tutorial for Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. You can play this whole song, the finger picking guitar chord part, with just a few chord shapes. So the first shape we have is like this. It's the 5th fret of the D string, 4th fret of the G, 3rd fret of the B string, like this. Then you can just pluck like this. The pattern for the right hand is thumb, index, middle, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb. Thumb on the D string, index on the G, middle on the B. The next shape is the 4th fret of the D string, the 3rd fret of the B string, and then you bar down across the 2nd fret. With that shape down, this pattern is a little different. Thumb, index, middle, index, ring, middle, index, thumb. So far we have the next shape uses the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And this pattern goes like this: thumb, index, middle, index, ring, middle, index, thumb. The last shape is part of a D chord, so it's the 1st finger, 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the B string, and the right hand pattern goes like this. Thumb on D, index on G, middle on B, does it again. Then index on G, thumb on D. Here's my right hand for the whole thing. If you have any questions about this song, feel free to leave those in the comments below. If you have any song requests, feel free to also leave that in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.